Hi little gardeners, guess what? Today we're playing with garden tools. Are you ready? This is a trowel. Trowel. This is a rake. Rake. This is a watering can. Watering can. This is a spray bottle. Spray bottle. This is a shovel. Shovel. This is a garden fork. Garden fork. This is a hoe. Hoe. This is a gloves. Gloves. This is a wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow. This is a garden apron. Garden apron. This is a bucket. Bucket. This is a plant markers. Plant markers. This is a pruning shears. Pruning shears. This is a soil scoop. Soil scoop. This is a seed starter tray. Seed starter tray. This is a seed dibber. Seed dibber. This is a plant pot. Plant pot. This is a mini greenhouse dome. Mini greenhouse dome.